Hello, this is Alexandra Koken, and welcome to my screencast for Exercise 1. The subject I selected from my website is fountain pens. This detail image is of the nib of a fountain pen. The nib is what allows the ink to flow to the paper from the pen. I chose this image because the nib is what makes these pens distinct from others. Nibs are really personal choices for fountain pen owners because of the variety in size and style they come in. They can be anywhere from bold to extra fine, and they even have certain calligraphy tips for special styles of writing. In addition, like you can see here, nibs are true works of art in themselves. This nib features a beautiful engraving and two-toned metal. I think this image allows us to appreciate the care and attention that goes into the making of these fountain pens, and why owning one can be so special. They truly are works of art in themselves that help us create more art.